Hi, I'm Sanam, and I'm going to share with you some instructional design advice in a minute. To kick us off on this series, we're looking at learning objectives. AI can write your learning objectives, but it can't really tell you if they're actually good ones. Here's a quick 30-second check that I like to use when designing e-learning for our clients. There's a model called Bloom's Taxonomy. It ranks thinking skills from simple recall like define or XYZ, all the way up to complex skills such as analyze or create. Most workplace training should live at the higher end of this pyramid. So if AI hands you an objective that just says understand or know, that's sitting on the low end of Bloom's taxonomy, and it's not measurable. So here's how I actually use AI for this. I don't just ask it to write an objective. I prompt Claude to write a learning objective using Bloom's and the ABCD formula. Then, as a separate follow-up, I ask it to check its own work. For example, which Bloom's level does this actually sit at? And is it something a learner can do, or is it just something they'll feel? That second question catches almost every weak objective AI gives you on the first try. I've turned this into a free template, which includes a short guide to measurable learning objectives, Bloom's taxonomy, and the ABCD formula, prompts to draft, level check and strengthening objectives, and a fillable template and quality checklist you can reuse on any project with any LLM. Grab it from the link below and follow our page for more learning minutes.